or to start my next video. We've just come to the beautiful Celebration to have some breakfast. Although it's been more like brunch to us.
Yeah.
Because it's 11 o'clock. Not nothing to eat yet. We're gonna head over to Celebration Diner just on the corner. Highly recommend you come into this place if you've never been to Celebration before. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Here?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
And that diner, the food's gorgeous as well.
Oh yeah, we always love the food there.
They've got any turtles, or there's an alligator that lives here, isn't they?
There is.
Can't see anything. No. Celebration just recently had a major problem where all the fish had died, didn't they?
They did, yeah.
But apparently it was to do with poisonous algae or something, you read?
So, yeah, something like that. Yeah,
And
it
also,
took all the oxygen out of the water.
Still got some Christmas decorations up around here. Then this is the downtown diner that we're going to go to. This is the menu. Pause the video to have a look. Big menu.
Yeah, massive menu.
I'm probably going to have what I always have though. And someone's just nice in the back.
Yeah, they do.
Look at it, still do what me might always have, the bagel sliders trio. $12.50.
So this is what the diner looks like inside. Then out the window you have a view of the Celebration Lake.
It's a bit nippy today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite cool today. So
it's a bit fresh first thing this morning.
yeah. So yeah, we've both got spirit jerseys on today.
Yeah.
Probably gonna have them on for most of the day.
Yeah.
And it's gonna get cooler over the weekend as well.
Even colder.
Yeah. So definitely be wrapping up. Although it's not that cold for us really. Especially
we've still got shorts on.
Yeah. Back in the UK, Lowell just telling me they've got a snow warning at the moment. So yeah, definitely making the most of the sunshine this weekend.
Our bagel trios have arrived. We always have sausage meat, don't we? It's lovely.
Yeah.
Tater tots. That is like a Big Mac sauce, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like to us, and that's like the exact same. Absolutely gorgeous. So there is a walking trail all around the Celebration Lake, and it starts from here and it's half a mile. So we're just going to go and do that. Walk our breakfast off. It's way too much food. Do you reckon this is about halfway round?
Yeah.
There's a bridge. Looks it.
That's big.
Say to Matt every day, when are we actually going to move to America?
Oh. Yeah.
Every day, I think I say it at least once.
Yeah, we do.
Maybe twice.
Yeah. So there's so many things that would need to happen for us to be able to move out here. So it's getting finances in order and finding a job that would pay to support us living out here. Yeah.
Yeah, we always speak about it at great length, don't we?
We do.
Of actually moving to the US one day. And we know how we'd do it, don't we?
Yeah.
We'd have a plan in place as to how we would do it. We both believe that one day we will do it, don't we?
Yeah, we do at some point.
And my mum's always said, hasn't she, that you'll move out here one day.
Yeah, yeah.
So she knows. My mum and my dad know.
Yeah.
That one day we'll actually do it. Someone asked us in one of our comments on one of our videos, I can't remember which video it was, but they says, do you think you'll ever move out there one day? And we says yes, we know we will.
But we just don't know when that'll actually happen.
Yeah, we know what we have to achieve to be able to do it. It's more finance, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah.
That's holding us back. Because it wouldn't be cheap just to up your life and move over to America. there's a lot of factors to be able to do that, and all the stars have to align.
Yep.
But one day we know we will. We just found this little area just off the lake. It's a bit of a bridge type thing. They were just looking for alligator.
Something in the trees.
You can hear it.
Oh,
squirrels. It's squirrels.
Big squirrels.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to know how we started this channel.
Yeah.
We started off with a holiday home, haven't we? In the process of doing that and renovating that. But it would be interesting. Obviously, we have plans to carry on the channel.
Yeah.
You know, many years down the line. So it'd be interesting to see our journey.
Long term is what happens. How often do we come out here? Can we move out here full time eventually? It'd be yeah, exciting to see
The process of us actually moving to America.
Yeah.
And where in America?
Well, that's the question. I think you have to go where the work is. So
Yeah, so for what Matt's job is, it's not really, they're not based in Florida, in Orlando, are they?
no, I don't think there's much engineering work out here. I'd have to go to more industrialized areas or something like that.
Yeah, so we have looked into it, and Florida, well, Orlando is actually a pretty low paid state because it's full of your tourist jobs.
Yeah.
And so well, in Matt's area of work, they aren't based in Orlando.
No, and the cost of living in Orlando is higher.
Is very, yeah, a lot higher.
So even if we were living in Orlando, I'd have to travel a lot for the work. So yeah, there's lots of things to research and work out, but yeah, it's all exciting stuff.
I suppose subscribe to our channel to see our journey of owning a holiday home first,
Yeah.
and then one day, long term, we move over to the US permanent. As Tim the tracker says, our world is a palm tree. And that couldn't be any more true for us. So you can also rent bikes here at Celebration, and there's a scenic 7-mile bike ride. Wow.
Oh, does that say we are here?
Yeah.
So that's like
Oh my god. I didn't realise there was 7 miles worth of trail around here, to be honest.
Right.
$20 for regular bikes, $30 with trailers, and they're here. I don't know why you actually pay for them, but they're here anyway, next to the Celebration Hotel. Do some fishing in this lake, lots of people down here fishing. And then just over here, there's where the green umbrellas are on the corner, there's a Starbucks. This is what some of your houses look like in Celebration.
Turn right onto Mulberry Avenue, then turn left onto Celebration Avenue.
Yeah, so what the Christmas decorations up.
Continue on Celebration
That's cool.
Avenue for 1 mile.
I like gingerbread Mickey's. A few of the houses still trimmed up. Not many though, is there?
No, not many.
So the whole come down. Me and Matt was talking about how much of a different world it is out here in America to what life is like in the UK.
So yeah, we were thinking, wonder how many people that watch our videos have been to America before, and how many people are watching the videos that haven't been to America yet.
So drop us a comment below and let us know.
Right, we're going to end this video here.
I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!